Alright, so I'm going to be making the last of our new curtains for the pop-up. Got the first 4 done for the windows, and now I'm making the curtains for the bed. So I'm going to be using these curtains pre-made that we found at Walmart, and I'm going to be cutting them down to size. I measured from the tracks that they slide into to where we want them to go, and that comes out to be 56 inches long. I will be using this handy cutter, razor blade, wheel to cut the curtains down. It works really well. Be using this marker to lightly mark my measurements. And then for the hems at the bottom, instead of sewing, I've been using this hem adhesive. It's an iron-on tape, and you just lay it down, fold your fabric up, and you iron it on. Makes it a lot easier. And I got this tiny little iron to iron it on. So let's get to it. I just wanted to show you guys the curtains for privacy. So pulled together, they actually make your room a private bedroom. Can't see in. Look really good.